friends. Happy, Merry Vlogmas, mini Vlogmas. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name's Janice Disney Shoe. Yes, as I said, we are doing a mini Vlogmas because I don't know if I can I've done the full 24 days before. 24, 25, yes. And that was really hectic. So I'm going to try to do the 12 days. If I don't get my 12 days in, then it's my mini Vlogmas. So thanks for joining me. And what I have planned for this is I have a box here from, it's a mystery box, but it's not my normal mystery box. If you have been on my channel before, I opened my November box, yes, and I had let you know that I was going to be doing this Advent box that Karen from Karen's USA Adventures has put out. So along with that, I have it's just a little card Advent calendar, and I know we're on, what is this, day 4? So I've opened a few of these, and I will show you all the ones that I've opened already. They are adorable. Let me just, it's a dog Christmas tree Advent calendar, and they're really adorable. So we're just gonna hop right into this Advent calendar, and then we'll go to that one. And then I have a surprise. Either I'm going to do it at the beginning or at the end, but we're going to do some unboxings because I have quite a few mystery pins that I've not had time really to open, and I want to get into them. So for this Advent calendar, we have day 1, which I believe this is a Labrador. I'm not quite sure, but it says, "'Twas the night before Christmas and all through the house." And then on day 2, we've got some puppies playing. Isn't they so cute? And it says, "The puppies were squeaking and old rubber mouse." Yes, and mine does that quite often. On day 3, we had, "The stockings were hung by the chimney with care." And we got some more. What are those? Beagles, I think. Now, we're on day 4, so let me search and oh, it's all the way down here at the bottom by the presents. Oh, I'm not sure what kind of dog this is, but he's so cute. And we have, "In hopes that they could not reach them up there." I wonder if this opens up into a nice picture. Okay, that's day 4. And now we are going to get into the Advent box. So let's just rip it open together. I love this pull tab that is on this box. Right off the rip. I know it's not pins, and that's what the Disney Pins blog would say when he's opening his pins. So, aww, my box got a little bit damaged, but this is what we've got in here, and it's probably going to fall. We've got some snowflakes, and look at the top of the box. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. So let's see. There's some people that have been opening these, and I didn't want spoilers, so I haven't been watching their videos of their openings. But it said "Happy Holidays," and in it, this is Karen's card. So cute. Look at the packages, and she's got her hat on. It says, "Congratulations, you're on the nice list. 12 days of Christmas magic are waiting for you, Karen." And then the other card says, "It looks like the elves have caused some trouble. Some days are wrapped with other days. Open parcel 1 to find parcels 2 and 3. Open the brown box to find parcels 9 through 12. Head elf. Okay. Let's see if I can follow the instructions. Let me move these snowflakes out of the way. And let's just get into it. And I'll show you what it looks like once I open this. So this is what I'm seeing. And then let's take this off the top. Oh, and now you can see more. All right, so this, I don't know if this is an extra, if this is, but we got another calendar. Oh my goodness. It's the Cadbury calendar. I love these chocolates. They're so good. Well, I'm not going to go into eating all of them, but you know what? We're going to find out, since this is like day 4. We're going to find out what we've got up to day 4. Oh, we've got, it's a reindeer moose. Reindeer? He's got a little smudge on his nose. That's adorable. So that was day 1. Let's see, where's day 2? Here is day 2. Ooh, these aren't very easy to get into. Oh, there was something saying. I didn't realize that. This says, it's the Christmas countdown. And then day 2 says, can you do a Christmas dance? No. That would be a absolutely no. So, we have a elf, I believe. Now, that's day, where's day 3? Ooh, it's all the way up here at the top. Ooh. Says, have you written to Santa? I have not. I told my Santa what I want. Because here's the Santa Claus. I'll have to insert a picture if I can find it. My friend and I were out at a Christmas store and there was a Santa Claus and he had us sit on his lap. He's like, when's the last time you sat on Santa's lap? It's like... But we had our masks on and everything was all good. Okay, day 4. It's by day 2. And it says, give hugs at Christmas. Oh, I guess I should undo the foil and find out what it was. Oh, it's a snowman. You know what? I'm going to eat the snowman. These chocolates are so good from England. I don't know what the difference is and what they do, but it is so good. All right. Sorry for eating on camera. Okay, let's find number 1. I think this is... Gotta move some things because that was number 6. I think this is number 1. All these snowflakes are falling all over the place. I'm like, I don't know. I think that's 7. I'm trying to figure out if I've got the right one. I think I do. Yep, that's 5, 4. And what's this one? These things are so cutely wrapped. This one doesn't have a number on it. Nope, there's no number on this one, so I'm not sure. And then this box is not numbered either. So I guess this is number 1. So the card said, it looks like the elves have caused some trouble some days. Some days are wrapped with other days. Open parcel number 1 to find parcels 2 and 3. Okay, so I believe this is parcel number 1. So I'm so excited. I've not had a box like this, and I've seen other people open Advent boxes before. So I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, look it. Wow, that's really shiny. You can see my camera now. I'm videoing. Sneak peek at the backside of things. You never know. So this is a little, what do you call this? It just says Disney's Skinny Dip. Little tote bag, but it is so cute. Ah, this is why. So, oh goodness, how in the world did they get these in here? I don't want to rip them. Okay, turn it like this. So here's day number 2. Put that back in there. And then here's number 3. Aww. This is awesome. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. But it's just a clear, like, makeup bag. So, with all your little Dalmatian guys on there. Oh, you're so cute. I love it. All right. So, we're going to set this aside. And I have a mystery pin unboxing for you also. So, okay, this is an old set, and I don't know if it came out this year or last year, but it shows you how long I've been holding on to things. But this is the Oh My Disney mystery pins, and I believe there's 8 in a set, and there's 2 mystery ones down here. But I love the Disney dogs, and I wanted to collect this whole set, so let's see how well I've done. I don't think I'm going to get the whole set because I only have I have 4 boxes here, and I have another one someplace else, so it's going to get opened later. And then we're going to open up a hidden Mickey orange pouch, and I couldn't tell you what series this came from either, because like I said, I've had a lot of these for a long time. So we are just going to get into these. All right, I have my handy dandy knife. There's no name for my knife. I know Miss Cherry has a name for hers, but they're just my knives. But if I had to choose who I wanted on here, I would want Bolt, Lady, and I'm not sure who the mystery ones are. But I want to collect this whole set. So let's just this one, they're pretty big. I think this is Nana. All right. We're going to find out together. So, actually, you're going to see it first. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. They are Disney pins. I purchased these at Shop Disney, but they don't have the Mickey waffling on the back. But they say Oh My Disney on them, and this was 2019, so that tells you how long I've had them. Okay, our second one of this unboxing. Ooh, there's a lot of air in this one. Feels like a smaller one though. I don't know. This could be a chaser. Gonna have to pop it. Oh, nope. Got all the air out of it. All right. Let's see who we have. Ooh, yeah, I think this is one of the mystery ones. Aww. I don't remember this dog and what it's from, but he's adorable. Look. Oh. Well, if anybody of you can help me, tell me where this one's from. All right, that's box number 2. We got 2 more to go. I'm going to go ahead and get them opened, and that way I don't have to do that. Ooh. I hope, oh, this feels like a double. Oh, wah wah. That happens. Oh, wait a minute. Is it? Oh, no, it's not. I was feeling this part and I thought it was his ear, but it's Bolt. Oh my goodness. Got part of the bag stuck to his tail. I got Bolt. Yay. I love Bolt. Oh, he's so cute. He's got his little stripey. All right. Got one of the ones that I wanted. Now, our last box. Ooh, I think this is, okay, I can't remember her name. It feels like it's her, so. Goodness, too many parts. Oh, yep. It doesn't want to come out of the bag. There we go. It is. And she's from Oliver and Company, I think. I can't remember her name. See, I'm not good with names. Oh, that's really pretty. I love the color on there. Look at that. Pretty purple. Love it. Well, those are the 4 boxes that I have today. For those, now we're going to get into the mystery box. I need my pair of scissors for this. Now, I believe this is 2 random pins in here, and they're in a cardboard, so you can't feel what they are. So we're going to pull them out one at a time. And what did we get? Oh, this is the, oh, what collection was this? Shucks. But I got Sebastian and Scuttle. Scuttle? Yes. I love hidden Mickeys. I don't know what it is about hidden Mickeys, but... Okay, what did we get here? Oh. Oh, it's another package. Yay. I don't think I had this package. This is the mini package, and I apologize for my dog. Somebody's coming to my house. So that's all we have, and I hope everybody's having a blessed day, and we will see you next time for my next video and opening. Bye, everybody.